Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this Samsung. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Advanced Features over here and scroll all the way down. After that, click on Dual Messenger and tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. In my case, it's only Facebook. So now I have to click on the switcher next to it, tap on Install in the pop-up, and as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to use a separate contact list, you can do that by tapping on the switcher over here. So now when I go back and try to access Facebook, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!